Hello everyone, this is a construction zone with this speed limit 50 posted. This is the testing for FSD 12.3.4. We have a little bit of sprinkle and then I wanted to see how the latest version does with the construction. As you can see, it's actually going below the speed limit 12. I came back to the same spot after the rain has stopped to see how it does, and now it's going exactly 15 miles an hour. So it was the rain that it was slowing down earlier. If you like this kind of content from this channel, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.